Helicon Focus is a fantastic program for blending focus stacked images, but sometimes if you have moving elements in your scene, especially when you have something like fast moving clouds, for example, like I have in this shot here from Torres del Paine National Park in Chile, there will be some errors. There is a great tool in Helicon Focus, however, that will allow you to easily fix those errors. So here we can see I've got my focus stack blend. On the left is the original source image, and on the right you see the blended images of 8 different focus stack exposures. And you can see a lot of errors here in the clouds in the sky. And this was because as Helicon Focus was stacking the images and focus blending them, it didn't really know which clouds to source from. And as a result, you've got a lot of duplication and a lot of other weird errors in the sky. If I go over to the Retouching tab, it pulls up a mouse dialog that I can resize using the bracket keys. I'm going to use the right bracket key to make the mouse window bigger, and on the left it's showing you the source file where Helicon Focus is taking the data from the original file, and on the right it's going to show you a preview as I move the mouse around of how that source file will be used to repair the errors that were made. So just with a click of my mouse, as I run the mouse over the areas that have errors, you can see that Helicon Focus is repairing those by sourcing data from one of the original files. And the great thing about Helicon Focus is I can choose which file that I'm going to use as my source file. So I'm just using the default file that Helicon Focus picked, but I can go through all of my focus stack files and pick the one that has the best information for repairing the data. And as I wave this over the sky, you can see that the errors are being fixed. And when I'm completely done, I will just release the mouse key. And there you have it. Helicon Focus has fixed all the errors, and now the sky looks the way it should.